Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing Hot Wheels 2021 J case. That L2593 means it's a US case, and if you've been following the unboxings, that means this case came from Mattel. I'm going to open it up. What did we do last time? You have to know this J case, there's no I case because I looks too much like the number 1, so there's never an O case or an I case because of just, the confusion with numbers. So you skip I, and this will be the next case. The last one was, what was it? H, right? With the Datsun 510 Super and all that. Let's just get right to it. Open this case up. We get the US cases from Mattel, then we do the international case from A&J Toys. We'll do a showcase and everything else. I know what is, I think I'm aware with what is mostly in the case. And the other thing I'll tell you is if this means we're getting this now, it means that it is in the distribution center. So you should be seeing this in stores fairly soon. So we're going to see some good holdovers. Can't get this turned over. We're going to see, and I've got some construction going on the other side of the fence. So just bear with me if it's pretty noisy. We do have some holdovers from the H case, so there'll be a lot of good stuff there, plus whatever is new in the J case. So let's just get right to it. I'm going to push this back just a little bit because this thing is not cooperating. We will start with a custom Ford Bronco. We have seen that one before. Batman Batmobile in chrome. That's pretty cool. Always a Batmobile, as I always say. And then recolor of the Surf and Turf. I will tell you while I'm doing this, I am going to be on Instagram Live tonight. With Abe Lugo from the Matchbox design team. We have a few things to discuss, so that'll be on IGTV, and maybe I'll do a replay if it allows me to save it on the Lamley live channel, so pay attention to that. There'll be a link on my Instagram. Bmw M3 Gt2, we've seen that one. We've obviously seen this beautiful 94 Audi Avant RS2 from the H case. This one is new. It's the 70 Camaro RS. Cool casting, kind of a mean looking style. We've seen a few of that. There's a couple of 70 Camaro castings. I like the other one better, but this one's got a nice silhouette to it. Nice classic. It's a then and now. So, we saw the Camaro Concept or ZR1 or something, ZL1 from the last case. I don't know if that will be in this one. Turtle Shell, that's new. We're seeing more of these animal cars. Kind of cool. Blade Raider. And then recolor of the 68 tuned Mustang. Matthias Motors. I like that color on that one. Recolor. Lancia Delta Integrale in black. We saw it in white. Here it is in black. That looks fantastic. Heavy hitcher. We've seen Mattel Dreammobile recolor as well. We've seen. I'll put that. We've got to figure out our highlights, right? Let's put that there. Turtle Shell we've seen, 17 Ford GT we've seen, and the Carbonator we have seen. We've also seen the Ford GT Race, we've also seen the Draftnator, and we've also seen the Porsche 935. When you have such a loaded case like the H case, you're going to, the holdovers are going to be there. All right, cool, another recolor, another new model, 06 Pontiac Gto. We saw it in that kind of burnt orange, right? Now we see it in blue. I like the blue a little better. This one is... It's not Brendan Vituski's car. He has a GTO. It's not styled like this as a drag car, but he wanted to do it for fun that way, so that's why it is. But he does own that Pontiac GTO. 68 Mustang, and then the 71 Datsun 510, which is the Super in the last case. All right, 2 holdovers. Ain't fair, 2 of those, and there's that black Honda Civic, which is tremendously cool, also from the last case. Clip rod for your money. Formula Solar for your son, Blade Raider for your track. Oh, that's neat. Jaguar Xe Sv Project 8. Is that jet black or is that dark green? We've already had a dark green, so I think that is jet black, and that looks fantastic. Highlight. Highlight for sure. Well, I've been putting the other highlights away. I don't know if I have. Oh, see, I'm here on camera yet. That GTO is a highlight. I think that's it. Okay. Sorry. I think this one's a highlight too, the Chrysler Pacifica in white. Looks kind of cool. With that color, sorry, I think that was off camera. With those colors, I actually like, I know a lot of people don't like this casting, the way it's done. Oh, that's a treasure hunt. Look at that. Didn't even notice. That is a regular treasure hunt, and that is a cool regular treasure hunt. So not only is it a cool deco, I was just going to tell you that I thought the deco looked cool on this one. You know, and I was going to say, if they did a stock Chrysler Pacifica, who would care? But this rally style is kind of cool, this off-road style, and now that they do it as a regular treasure hunt, just notice that symbol there. I dig it. I think this is the best regular treasure hunt so far this year. I'm digging that one. Highlight pile, you go, regular treasure hunt. Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels Edition, Moon Eyes. Sweet. First motorcycle I'm putting in the Moon Eyes collection, because that is clearly what that is. So, highlights you go. Didn't expect that. And here is the Porsche 356 Outlaw in Gulf colors. A lot of people like that one. Lethal Diesel. We'll put that one over here with everything else before it falls down. It will. But obviously, I think most of you know, if you find one that looks like this, then you found the super treasure hunt. Mattel did send this one to me. We'll open it up eventually. But there's the Gulf one. There's the super treasure hunt. Everything is the same. Obviously, the wheels are different. The Spectre Flame, and there's the TH on the side. Hot Wheels logo otherwise. And then the same on the top, I think. Highlight pile. That Moon Eyes motorcycle's cool. I had no idea. All right, 82 Dodge Rampage. Nice to see that casting back. I think that was done in some of the Target lines or something like that, but that's a cool casting. Looks good here, nice and clean. Was that a three-wheeler in the back of some sort? Into the highlight pile it goes, and then we've seen these two already. Baja Bug and that awesome Lancia recolor. Okay, I'll push this out of the side. Now I'm going to pull this up. Oh, ho, 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 ho. All right, yeah. Going to be plenty of highlights in this case. 69 Chevelle head gasket in the Formula Solar. Doing this blind. Donut Drifter. There's that Mercedes 500E, which is fantastic. Another one of those. And then the heavy hitcher again. Oh, look at that. 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. We haven't seen that casting in a while. Nice to see that one back. I'll throw that in the highlight pile. I mean, got a few highlights here. Ford F-150 Raptor looks good. Is that a recolor? I don't remember. And then that chrome Batmobile. All right. 80 El Camino does look cool. Recolor, but how about this one? Well, we'll look at the Surf and School Bus. We've already seen that one. But here's another highlight reel right here. 2020 Toyota Gr Supra. There's your art. There's your model. Gretty Deco. Gretty livery. And this is based on, I think this actual car, was at SEMA a couple years ago. And I remember being there with Jimmy Lou. And I don't know if the deal was made there, but we went up and we saw Gretty. I did a video and we talked to him. Kenji over at Gretty, and I think Jimmy there said, hey, we need to make this into a model, and maybe it's right then and there that they decided to do it. I can't remember, but obviously it was done. Hot Wheeler, Donut Drifter, how about that? There is the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, Ken Mary, if you will, in yellow. Stripes are okay. Oh, it does have the deco on the back, which I think Nissan wants. I could do without the stripes, but it doesn't look bad. And that will obviously and instantly go into the collection. I love that casting. So, highlight pile it goes. Rocket Oil Special, we've seen that. BMW, seen that. This one looks good. 87 Dodge D100 in racing livery, Hot Wheels racing livery. That one looks good. Highlight pile, I think so, yes. We're going to have I think I'm going to have to definitely do the international unboxing and a separate highlight video. We've seen all three of those, right? Already from the H case. And we've seen all of those already from the H case as well. And I think we've seen those first two, but have we seen this one? Surf's Up. We've seen the casting before, but don't know if we've seen that one. Didn't they do that one for Olympics last year that didn't happen, so it's the Olympics this year. Another Ducati. Ford GT. I'm just starting to look at this one. What is that? Bought wheels. Doesn't say it's new, but it's in gold. I mean, I've probably seen it, not noticed it. Kind of looks cool in gold. So some of you are going to know what that is. Oh, how about that? Porsche 993 GT2, looking nice and clean. I kind of like the 5 spokes that way. It kind of gives it a kind of a retro look. Haven't seen that casting in a bit, right? So we'll add that to the collection. I'll have to do an update on that 993 GT2 casting. Wow, that one's cool. Another Batmobile. I see so many Batmobiles. Ford Bronco. And then we will finish off nice. Oh, dang. Honda Civic again. There's another Supra, and look at that. 89 miles to Savannah RX-7 FC3S. Sorry, I'm out of the camera because I'm just staring at it in white, and that is beautiful and clean and gorgeous and everything. I love that. What a way to end. All right, you guys want to see the highlight pile? Check this out. Move this up. Supra. Watch, everything's going to start falling down. Porsche. Dodge D100. Nissan Skyline. Ford Mustang, Dodge Rampage, another Supra, or the Supra, Ford Raptor, 2 different Porsches, one being a Super Treasure Hunt, the Ducati in the Moon Eyes Deco, a fantastic jet black Jag, another jet black, or not totally jet black, but black Lancia Delta Integrale, a very cool regular Treasure Hunt, the Chrysler Pacifica, and the 06 Pontiac Gto. That's a lot of highlights. We will open them up in the highlight video. You guys tell me which of these models you like the best. Obviously, people are going to want to find the Super Treasure Hunt, but out of this case, which one do you want the most besides that one? You guys let me know in the comments. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Mattel, for sending this case. Look for it in stores soon. Bye.